Did you know that only about 20% of people who start a weight loss journey actually reach their goals? Crazy, right? This statistic might sound discouraging, but it just shows how important it is to approach weight loss with the right mindset. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of weight loss and how to kickstart your journey. We're all about keeping it real, so I'm going to share some realistic tips that can actually help you succeed. No gimmicks, just genuine advice. Now, let's talk about the challenges. When starting a weight loss journey, many people set unrealistic expectations. You know, the whole, I want to lose 20 pounds in a month, mindset. That kind of thinking can lead to disappointment and frustration. Plus, there's the motivation factor. At first, it's super exciting, but as time goes on, that initial spark can fade. Life gets busy, cravings kick in, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. These challenges can make it tough to stay on track and reach your goals. So, how do we tackle these challenges? So, what's the plan? Now let's talk about the solution. Here's 5 ways to lose weight very fast. Last one is the most important. Don't miss it. Now let's talk about number 5. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable and specific goals to guide your weight loss journey. This could include losing a certain amount of weight within a specific time frame or adopting healthier eating habits. Having clear goals helps maintain motivation and track progress effectively. No full focus on nutrition. Nutrition plays a crucial role in weight loss. Fill your meals with nutrient-dense foods such as vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. For example, incorporating a variety of vegetables into your diet can help you consume fewer calories while ensuring you get essential nutrients. Eating a balanced diet rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats can keep you full longer and reduce overeating. Number 3. Stay hydrated and sleep well. Drinking plenty of water can aid in weight loss by keeping you hydrated and reducing hunger. Replacing sugary beverages with water can also cut down on unnecessary calories. Additionally, getting enough sleep is essential, as poor sleep patterns can lead to increased hunger and cravings, especially for high-carb and high-fat foods. Aim for at least 7 hours of quality sleep per night to support your weight loss efforts. No. 2. Incorporate physical activity and track your progress. Regular exercise is vital for weight loss. Start with activities you enjoy, such as walking, dancing, or cycling, and gradually increase the intensity and duration. Monitoring your progress can help you stay motivated and make necessary adjustments. Keep a food diary. Use a mobile app to track your calorie intake and physical activity, or mark your goals on a calendar. Now, the time of last one, which is the most important. Don't miss it. No one sip this coffee to boost metabolism. Coffee plus this equals fast metabolism. Okay, I may be going out on a limb here, but I'd bet your morning coffee routine is about to change. Why? Well, it's because of the revolutionary coffee trick you'll see below. For starters, this 10 seconds coffee trick can 1. Increase fat burning throughout your day. 2. Enhance coffee's natural benefits: wakefulness, energy, cognitive function, etc. 3. Eliminate coffee's unwanted drawbacks: energy crash, jitters, elevated heart rate, etc. And all of that is just the tip of the iceberg. Get ready to be absolutely amazed. Try this revolutionary coffee trick. Click link in the description to lose weight very fast with this, the best diet plan with the step-by-step guide in the guidance of weight loss expert. Let's make this journey together and celebrate each victory along the way. Click link in the description. Watch this video now and start your weight loss journey from today itself.